Today we're gonna replace engine air filter on a Honda Odyssey 2nd generation, and this goes from 2005 to 2010 range, I believe. It's inside here, and if you notice, all rusted bolts, so I had to spray some WD-40 on there. 8mm bolts. It also has a Phillips head screwdriver, but I don't think you can break it loose with a screwdriver, so using a 8mm socket instead. It's going to be interesting because it looks really old, so probably the filter will be really dirty. Okay, that is. Don't have to completely take it off, it stays there. Okay, that's it, as long as it comes loose. This is a little tricky on the inside, you need an extension. Okay, that is loose, and the last one. Okay, let's see. Okay, all 4 bolts are loose. Time to take this out. Oh, what a surprise. I thought it would be super dirty. There it is. An air filter. Let's flip it. Pretty brand new. I did not expect that. The housing looks clean. Don't have to vacuum that out, but I'm just going to put this back in. As you can see, it goes that way. Make sure the seals don't get crushed anywhere, and nice fit. Let's put it back on, and I'll put the part number and the filter description link. I'll put the filter link in the description, and we can just put this. That is how you'll change the engine air filter on a Honda Odyssey, or pretty much any Honda 4-cylinder. I'm sorry, any Honda 6-cylinder. Done. All 4 bolts done, and that is it. That is how you'll change the engine air filter on a 2nd generation Honda Odyssey or any other Honda in that generation, pretty much. I'll put the link in the description, you can pick it up. All right, I'll see you in the next video.